Come test drive the 2019 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.